Get ultimate performance and versatility with Dremel's 4000 series variable speed multi-purpose toolkit. A 1.6 amp motor delivers maximum performance during heavy duty as well as detailed and intricate tasks. Variable speed control makes it easy to adjust for a variety of jobs, and electronic feedback circuitry senses workloads to maintain consistent speed. Plus, the slim, well-balanced design provides a comfortable 360-degree grip zone, so you can work longer with greater precision and less fatigue. This 39-piece set comes with a variety of accessories for completing a wide range of projects, including a detailer's grip, a cutting guide for controlling depth, a sanding grinding guide for improved stability, circle cutter attachment, as well as various others for carving, grinding, cutting, polishing, sanding, and more. Changing accessories is simple with the easy twist nose cap and quick collet lock. For unmatched performance and versatility, get the Dremel 4000 series 39-piece multi-purpose rotary toolkit.